Yuvi, a curious 7-year-old with big dreams, and his adorable 2-year-old brother Ivan playing with toy rockets in their cozy apartment. Yuvi watches a documentary about space exploration and gets inspired to embark on an adventure to explore the universe. He excitedly shares his plan with Ivan, who giggles with delight and claps his hands. Yuvi and Ivan draw up plans for their space voyage. Using crayons and paper to design their spaceship, they brainstorm ideas on how to travel through space and come up with the idea of riding a mystical Chinese dragon. Yuvi and Ivan venture into a magical forest where they encounter a wise old Chinese dragon named Ling Long. Ling Long agrees to take them on a journey through the cosmos, impressed by the children's bravery and sense of wonder. With Yuvi and Ivan seated atop Ling Long's back, the dragon takes flight, soaring through the stars and planets. They pass by celestial wonders like swirling nebulas, colorful galaxies, and shimmering asteroid fields, their eyes wide with awe. Landing on a distant planet, Yuvi and Ivan explore alien landscapes, meeting friendly extraterrestrial creatures and learning about their way of life. They marvel at the beauty and diversity of the universe, realizing that there's so much more to discover beyond Earth. As their adventure comes to an end, Yuvi and Ivan bid farewell to Ling Long and promise to cherish the memories of their incredible journey forever. With hearts full of joy and wonder, they return home to their city, eager to share their stories with friends and family. The final scene shows Yuvi and Ivan cuddled up in bed, gazing at the stars through their bedroom window, dreaming of their next adventure together.